Hey, what's up guys? Will here for GSM Arena. The Nokia 6 2018 has just arrived, so let's check it out. Let's see what we've got inside the box. We have the Nokia phone, the SIM tool and some paperwork, an 18-watt Nokia quick charger, the USB Type-C cable. Remember, last year's Nokia 6 had micro USB, and some 3.5mm earbuds. So, now that we have the Nokia 6 2018 in our hands, let's go over its top 5 features. First, build quality. With its solid aluminum unibody, this phone is built like a tank, as you'd expect from Nokia. But it's not just about the durability. With its sharp corners and shiny highlights, the Nokia 6 2018 looks great too. One change though is that the fingerprint reader is now on the back. Next, upgraded chipset. Last year's Nokia 6 was criticized for its slow Snapdragon 430 chipset. So this time around, it's been upgraded to a Snapdragon 630 and up to 4 gigs of RAM, resulting in 60% better performance. USB-C quick charging. The Nokia 6 2018 has the same battery capacity as last year's model. But with the new bundled quick charger, we should be able to charge up the battery a lot faster. Nokia claims 50% in half an hour. Stock Android. As an Android One phone, the Nokia 6 2018 delivers what a lot of users are looking for. Stock Android without any unnecessary bloatware. Plus you'll get the latest security updates as soon as they roll out. Camera upgrades. This year's camera is the same as last year's specs-wise, but now it has a Zeiss branded lens. We're not sure yet if it makes a difference, but we snapped a couple of photos for you to check out. And now you can record video in 4K too. Here's an example. It looks pretty decent, especially for a mid-range phone. But there isn't much for stabilization. So there you have it guys, our full review of the Nokia 6 2018 will be coming out soon. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions you'd like us to answer. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.